End unit. Gorgeous second floor furnished 2-bedroom 2-bath condo overlooking the tropical landscaped area and the community pool. This home has over $23,000 in updates and is immaculate. Some of the features include an updated kitchen with quartz counters, tile backsplash, and recessed lighting. There's tile on the diagonal in the kitchen and living areas, and wood-like flooring in the bedrooms means no vacuuming. Both bathrooms have also been updated. There are too many updates to list. It's a must-see to appreciate the upgrades. This hidden gem community is nestled within the Crown Pointe Community and is just minutes from downtown Naples with the white sugar sand beaches and year-round sunsets. The community will be installing new impact windows starting in December.